Hello everybody, let me show you what I have done. There you go. Fire! This is a cannon. Let me show you your futures. Okay, so first I'm going to, this cannon acts like action reaction of the third law of Sir Isaac Newton, okay? And you can have a lot of fun. So you can shoot a happy ball. You can shoot one with aluminium foil also, or you can launch Skipper and see if penguins actually can fly. Let's try it. Oh, by the way, that's the target, okay? So let's see if penguins fly. Go down, Skipper. Down. Very good. Keep it there. Ready? 1, 2, 3, fire! Nope. Penguins don't like to fly. Well, let's try it with this one also. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's put it over here. Oh, by the way, we have two balls here. This is a physics question. It's going to be in the quiz. We have two balls, roughly the same size, but this one is heavier than this one. If I apply the same force to both of them, which do you think is going to fly? It's going to fly longer. Okay, what's going to be with the one ball that actually goes have more distance? The heavy one or the light one? Okay, let's see it and see how's my aiming. Very good. Let's try with the heavier one. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not too far away. Let's try with the lighter one. 1, 2. Awesome! I'm going to show you how to do this weapon. Let's keep it touch. Okay, the materials for this project is going to be sheepskin, you know, like this one. I think Springles. I bought this one on Walmart. It's a little bit cheaper. I prefer this one because the can is a little bit bigger, longer, so it's better can. Also, other thing, you can use soda can, or in this case I use Fuse tea or soda bottle. I prefer the Fuse tea because it needs to fit inside the can, the Springles can, okay? And you can see the Fuse tea fits a little bit better than the soda, okay? So that's why I prefer the Fuse tea, okay? Next one. Depending on the model of the cannon, you will need a pen, a pencil or a color, something that you don't use anymore. Rubber bands, 2 or more, depending. Thread or any kind of thread, you just keep it like a little stronger. You need to use strong type. And duct tape, okay? It's one of the models actually is going to be like, we don't get a hole here, okay? We are not going to make a hole here. We are going to put the rubber bands here, and then we are going to strap it, okay? We are going to use the duct tape to put they stay in there, okay? The other model is going to make a hole that goes through the bottle, okay? And the rubber bands are going to go in like this, okay? So depending on the model that you wish, the one that you want to make is what you are going to do, okay? So that's all the materials, and let's go for the building procedure, okay? Thank you. See you. Okay, very good. So first we need to make a hole in this can, okay? There are actually a lot of ways to do it. I prefer with this ones. You can cut it like this, you know? Use a right there. or you can cut it like this as you wish. Okay, as you wish. Okay, let me finish the cutting and I'll be back with you. Okay, I already finished. I got the center part of the can. Because I want to conserve the ring here, I'm going to attach it here with duct tape. Okay, and also I'm going to cut the rubber bands. Okay, we are going to cut them like this. This is for one of the versions. I will explain later if you don't want to make this version, but I think it's the easy one. So we cut this one, okay, and same for the other one. We are going to need to make a knot here. Okay, so go ahead and make a little knot. Okay, like that. Yep. You want to make it a little bigger, it's okay. So let's do it again, so it's a little bigger. There we go. Same for the other side, and the both rubber bands. Okay, let me do it and I come back with you. Okay, I already finished. I just make with the rubber bands and make the double knot at each end of the rubber bands. Okay, next with a little duct tape or any masking, but I prefer duct tape because it's a little bit tougher. So I'm going to cut a little here, and then I'm going to use the duct tape to just secure the rubber band here. Okay, also I'm going to do it in the other side. It needs to be like in the same at the same distance. Okay, they need to be symmetrical. Okay, so let me do it with the duct tape, and I'll come back with you and show you how I got it there. Okay, so how it's going to be there. Okay, I make like I make like 10 turns around, and then like this. Okay, so you can see how it's doing. Oh, by the way, you need to tie it. Okay, you don't loose. Make the thread is loose. Okay, it needs to be tied up. Okay, so the rubber band stays there. Okay, and after that you can make like a little knot there. Here, you can ask help if you want to do it. If you don't want to do it with just one hand, you can ask mom and dad to help you just to like the knot there. After you have one knot there, it's going to be more easy. Okay, let's do it another one. Very tight. Try to do it. I will do it like 2 or 3 more times. So after 2 knots here, I will try to do it another turn here. So it's super tight. We need to do it tight because all the force is going to be around the rubber bands. So the tighter it is, the better it's going to be our cannon. Okay. And if you have glue, I think it's going to be a super good idea if you put some drops of glue over there. Okay, I'll leave it like that. I'm going to cut the excess. Cut the excess here also. Okay, I check it, double check it, and now I'm going to put another piece of duct tape around the thread, okay, the string here, so it's super secure. because remember, we are going to pull this one super hard, okay? So we need to be very safe here, okay? Cool. Let me do it and I come back with you. Okay, so let me. So I have the tape here, and I'm going to double secure the bottle, okay? Like this. Okay. So good. I have the other part here. Super tight. Super secure, okay? Good. Look. Good. And now we are going to do the same way with the bottle, okay? We are going to put it here. And we are going to secure same way over here, okay? Let me prepare the duct tape, more thread, coming back to you to show you, okay? And also I'm going to secure the lid, this one, because I really wanted it very solid, okay? Okay, I just put some duct tape here around. So if you have sharp edges, because you use the can opener, you will not have any trouble with the sharp edges if you do it like this, okay? Also give you more resistance. Okay, you double check this one. That is super tight. Okay. And then, okay, you are going to match where it's going to be the rubber band, okay? Over here, and then you duct tape it, the same thing that we do it here, okay? The thread, then turns around with the thread, and also the duct tape. Let me prepare the things and coming back to you. So with the string, we do like 10 turns from the can and make a double knot here. Remember, they need to be very tight, so actually it holds the rubber bands, okay? Also, we are going to add some duct tape here, so it's extra secure, okay? Let me do it and let me show. Oh, also we're going to trim these things, okay? After you do the then. Oh my god. Okay. We do it. We're going to trim it. It needs to be super tight, okay? That's it. We can hold it here. Let's turn this thing inside, okay? So with the duct tape, we're going to secure these things. Let me do it and show you the cannon after I do it, okay? Okay, very good. So I already got some duct tape, and we are going to put it over the rubber band so we have more secure our cannon, okay? So I'll do it like this. Remember, apply some force so it get extra secure. There you go. Nice. And with the other one, same procedure. Nice. Nice. Very good. And there you go, you finish. Just check everything is well secure in place. There you go. You just need to load something. Oh, okay. You just need to load something. Let me. Oh, thank you. You can load this one. Okay, or you can load something else. Okay. have fun. Let me. Oh, by the way, you can actually put some white sheet here, draw something, make your own. Okay. Thank you, and I hope you like it. Bye.